Product introduction vision. Muffle furnace is a general-purpose high-temperature heating equipment suitable for laboratory or small batch production. The main features are 1. Energy saving and environmental protection. 2. Rapid heating. 3. Long life. 4. Reasonable structure, which can ensure that the surface temperature does not exceed the ambient temperature plus 25 degrees centigrade. The product can also be selected with a maximum temperature of 801 A20 and can be equipped with a chimney and exhaust fan. Installation introduction. Power supply introduction. The power supply adopts single-phase 3-wire system, 2-phase 4-wire system, 3-phase 5-wire system. The yellow is the live wire, and the black is the neutral wire. The yellow-green true color is the protective ground wire. Please make sure that a qualified electrician connects the wires. Then it can be used. Usage introduction. Turn on the air switch behind the furnace body, and the furnace body control circuit is connected. Put the sample to be heated into the furnace in a suitable form, direct heating or placing it in a crucible, and note: 1. Corrosive and toxic samples cannot be placed. 2. The sample should not contact the heating body and thermocouple. Then put in the insulation bricks and make sure that the insulation bricks are inside the furnace door. Then close the furnace door. Heating program setting. Set the heating program according to the instruction manual and start running. Note that if the program needs to be stopped or the power is stopped during the heating process, after recovery, you can continue working from the current temperature. If you need to stop, adjust the status to stop. Wait for the temperature in the furnace to drop to 300 degrees or less. Then open the furnace and use the crucible tongs to take out the sample. Note: take appropriate protective measures for high temperatures during operation to avoid possible injuries. Clean the furnace after taking out the sample for the next use.